Hi, I am InfoSky TV. Let's go on today's topic. Learn kitchen gadgets with pictures. Let's go on started. Baking mold. Butter molds. Butter molds. Butter churner. Butter churner. Bamboo basket. Bamboo basket. Boti. Boti. Bamboo steamer. Bamboo steamer. Cookie press. Cookie press. Coconut scraper. Coconut scraper. Cup and saucer. Cup and saucer. Lagan. Lagan. Digital timer. Digital timer. Tough blender and cutter. Tough blender and cutter. Fridge. Fridge. Gravy boat. Gravy boat. Hand grinding stone or silpata. Hot air steamer. Hot air steamer. Indian mud stove. Indian mud stove. Lantern. Lantern. Lemon squeezer. Lemon squeezer. Meat tenderizer or steak hammer. Potato masher. Potato masher. Pastry cutter. Pastry cutter. Plate or thali with food. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. Trivet. Trivet. Stone grinder. Stone grinder. Silicone baking mat. Silicone baking mat. Winnowing fan. Winnowing fan. Wicker stool. Wicker stool. Yogurt maker. Yogurt maker. If you like this video, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon. Once again I say thank you for watching this video.